Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy one-stroke rosebuds. You're going to start off by sponging in your background. You can skip this step, but I think it helps the design to pop. Next, grabbing a 1/2 inch angular brush, load your brush between white and red, making sure to load the white on the toe of the brush. And here's a quick trick. To make your rose petal edges crisp white, if you need to, keep dipping the toe back into your white between each stroke. First, you're going to make a scallop shape, then swoop underneath with a small U shape. Then, leaning your brush, drag the toe with a white around your rosebud, creating layered petals. Then only do a few of the petals. If you do too many, then they won't look like rosebuds. Again, reloading with that white so I have that nice crisp white edge. I'm making the scallop, a small U shape, and then dragging that leaf around the toe of the brush, around the bud. Using the same type of brush, load light green and dark green, keeping the dark green on the toe of the brush. To make the one-stroke leaves, wiggle your brush as you drag the toe to a point, and then drag it back to the starting point. Try and keep these leaves small, because if they're too big, then they won't look proportionate to the roses. And I'm only doing 2 or 3 per rosebud. And then coming in with a mark Reid number 3 and dark green, I'm just doing reverse teardrops to look like little leaves. It just helps add another layer of dimension to this design, and it also helps frame the eye. Coming in with the same brush, I loaded white, and I'm just doing a few dots here and there. And I apologize, my camera stopped recording again, but I just came in and did some white teardrops, and here I dipped the end of my brush into some Pixie paint. Glitter time! Dab that iridescent pink glitter onto the top of your rosebuds. And this next step is totally optional, but if you've got time, I recommend it. I'm just coming in with some liquid bling in silver, and I'm just adding it to the outside of my teardrops. Again, it just adds another layer of dimension and more sparkle. Then coming in with some Glimmer body glue, I'm just adding a little bit here and there. And I'm going to add my pearls on top of it. I love the look of pearls with this classic rose design. I think they go perfect together. Then I'm taking a wipey and wiping away those 2 teardrops. They were driving me nuts. So I just wiped them away, and I'm going to cover that spot up with some more Pixie paint. And that's it, you guys. I hope you like it. I hope you can use this at your next event. Thank you for watching.